So, my dear students, a very warm welcome to the online sessions of JC English High School. 9th standard students, now we are going through sociology, and this is your last chapter for sociology, and the chapter name is socialization. In the previous video, what we have done the meaning or introduction of socialism. What is socialism? Okay, by birth we are only human beings. After that we are getting interacted with the world, and from there we learn several things, and that process is known as the socialization, where we became a social being from a human being. And then it comes that what are the agencies of socialization. What is these agencies of socialization? Agencies of socialization means what are the things which are influencing our character, behavior to be a social being. Out of that, the first one was family. We have completed it. Family is the base or core to being a social being, because it is the family where we take a birth and we grew up there only. So it begins the core of this include the this is the basic foundation of this socialization process. Okay, so this is the foundation, because see, when we are after birth, we are very small kid and we gradually start growing. Okay, where we do in the family. That time we don't have friends, we don't have teachers, anything else. But that time till our death, I told you several times that mother is the best teacher and she is the first teacher of every human being. Okay, then we have done peer group. What is this peer group? Peer group means friends or the people of same age. Means I am having friends. Okay, I am having classmates. They are the peers, and seeing their behavior, it has an influence on us. If somebody is doing bad, I will also try to do bad. If somebody is doing great, I will also try to do great. Next is religious. Everybody is having some religion. Okay, in our community you can see several religions are there. Okay, everybody is having a religion and they are maintaining it. Religion makes us to have a faith and believe on God, and not to do the bad things, and only to do the good thing. Next, it is very important, you people know, but the next point is school. What is this? School. The role of school is very crucial in the socialization process. School, see, once we grew up, no, other than our family, we will be spending more of the time in our school. In school, the child is not only influenced by teacher but also by its friends and classmates. In the school, teachers are there. We can see the teachers, how they are behaving. But other than that, our classmates or friends are there, how they are behaving. That is also important. The behavior, knowledge, experience is strongly molded by the education. Education molded us for getting good education, good knowledge, good experience and good behavior. Okay, when you people was kid, means in the first standard or second standard, there the first chapter of the social was good habits and bad habits. So once we do it, we can understand, yes, this is the good habit, this is the bad habit. School makes them ready for social life. School makes them ready. How ready? In the family you are getting all the things what you want. Okay, but in the school they will teach, your teacher will teach you how to proceed with all these things. The role of the teachers are mostly important to develop a child for social process. Teachers' influence is very much important in life. Whatever the teacher teaches us, it is our duty and responsibility to maintain it. The good and positive aspect of a teacher, like good behavior, equality, etc., enables the children to develop The good character or good behavior of a teacher enables a child to develop. What are the things to develop? Love, cooperation, tolerance, co-living, mutual respect, and other various values of life. These are all the values of life. I should love somebody, okay, I should not hate somebody, and like that only I should have a cooperation, I should have tolerance, I should tolerate. Somebody is telling something bad to me, I will not give immediately the back answer, okay, I should judge it and then only I should speak. Think before you speak. Apart from these, the teachers motivate a child to be a social being in the society and also to take part in various curricular and extracurricular activities. See, not only it is that you do this thing is good, this thing is bad. If you are to become a social being, you should be all-rounder. So, sports, dance, then swimming, these are the extracurricular activities or co-curricular activities. You should take active part in this so that you should be a all-rounder. It makes a person healthy and wise also. Okay. Then the next point is mass media. You people are very much have the knowledge of this one, mass media. What we are doing, this is also a media, internet. Okay. In the modern world, the social or mass media also works as an important agency of socialization. So, social or mass media, don't think about only Facebook and WhatsApp. Okay. It includes radio, television, movies, films, magazines, internet, phones, from everywhere where we can communicate, we can get some good things from that. That is the mass media or social media. Human beings are deeply influenced. People are not only the child, even the aged person also or middle-aged person, they are also influenced by the various types of TV shows, important statements by popular person, communicating through internet for various knowledges, debate program, various discussion, news, quiz, etc. Okay, all these medias you know. Okay, whatever it is your phone, it is your TV, it is your radio. It is not that only you should communicate with your friends or relatives. There are several things are there. You should go for quiz, you should go for Discovery Channel. So then only your knowledge will be explored, or else you will be in the well only. Then the next one is, okay, last point is program of academic interest. Now you people are the students, so program of academic interest facilitate better social behavior among people. See, my behavior will change only if I see a good thing. We should see a good thing in a bad thing also. Good thing in a bad thing. Okay, always be positive, never be negative. That is the main thing. Be optimistic, don't be pessimist. The last point is neighborhood. Neighborhood, we all know those persons who are residing besides us. Okay. Neighborhood are the families which reside close to our family. Means, see, we are in a community. Okay. And here we are staying with our family, but besides our places, other families are there. They are called the neighborhood. Okay, they are not our relatives, they are not our parents and all, but still they are staying just besides our inner place. Okay, neighborhood is small in size. Street, okay, cross, whatever it is there, that is known as neighborhood. Here people of different entity related to each other. Okay, here people will be of different entity, different religion, different types of people will be there, but they are staying continuously with us in that specific place. People help each other in many ways. Here neighborhood means I don't know my neighbor, don't tell like that. Okay, people here help each other. Suppose I got a problem, I can share it with my neighbor. Even if I am going to celebrate my son's birthday, or you are celebrating your birthday, what you are doing, those who are in your neighborhood and friends, you are calling them to celebrate that particular occasion. So here people help each other in many ways. the influence of neighborhood is found in both rural and urban communities. See, rural means villages or urban cities. Wherever you go, you will see a community or a neighborhood. Okay, and this is getting influence. Sometimes it is bad influence also. I am not talking about that, but most of the good influence we get it from the neighborhood. The people of neighborhood, like member of the same family. No, the people of neighborhood live. The people of the neighborhood live like member of the same family by sharing their happiness and sorrows. Okay, if I am in a community and in a neighborhood, I will share both my happiness and sorrows with them. Okay, suppose I am ill, they will make me to bring to the hospital, like that. Okay, neighborhood people celebrate festivals togetherly. Festivals they celebrate togetherly. Fair, marriages, religious rituals and other social programs, whatever it is there, any celebration is there, people enjoy it and celebrate it togetherly in neighborhood, and it gives a good positive vibes and positive influence on the behavior or character of a people. Neighborhood relationship is more stronger or bonding is more in rural communities rather than in urban communities. Urban communities, they don't have time to speak to their neighbor, but if you go for a rural place, there people are very much bonded with each other. Okay, so that's why this point comes out that neighborhood relationship is more stronger or bonding is more in rural communities rather than in urban communities. So this will end up your agencies of socialization. Only one part is there, that is gender and socialization. This we will discuss in the next video, and we will be summed up with your sociology part 1. Thank you.